Hi, my name's Nicole and I'm at Connected Britain with Xavier Renard, the Telecom Business Unit Marketing Director at ACOME. So firstly, how are you doing and how have you found the day?
Yes, fine, very fine. And you? Yeah?
Perfect, it's been good. And so you've had 3 participations at Connected Britain so far, and ACOME is now an established company in the UK. So what changes have there been to make this happen?
Yeah, I'm glad to be here. Indeed, Connected Britain has been a very successful show for us. And indeed, it's our 3rd edition this year. And I have to say that it has been we have achieved quite significant steps. We began 3 years ago, we hired 3 local salesmen here. Stefan Hoff and Lee Spicer has for cables, and Neil Attack for connectivity. We adapted our organization to be more focused and dedicated to UK with Christophe Boucher and Andrea Garcia as our UK director. And we appointed Willy Pellat as being our marketing UK manager. And product-wise, we developed an extended range of ultra-lightweight cables for the UK market and as well as blown cables.
Lovely, and so you mentioned all of these steps that you've taken, but what specifically has made you successful in the UK?
Well, ACOME has the largest cable factory close to UK, and I think it helps. We have very committed people, and actually I think it comes from our cooperative company model. For example, in 2021, we delivered 97% of our orders on time. We produce high-quality cables, and we measure it. And last year, we produced only 12 defective parts per million, and they don't reach the customer because we are testing them all before leaving. And this can be seen as well in the number of claims we have, because it was only 0.8 in average last year per month. And product-wise, our ultra-lightweight cable range is PIA approved, so it can be installed on BT poles.
Lovely. And so inflation has risen sharply in 2022, to much of our despair. And so as a manufacturer, what are you doing to help the increase of the UK rollout? How has it affected the rollout in the UK?
Well, indeed, 2022 has been a very tough year. Inflation, by the way, was already there last year, but since last February, really it increased a lot, up to 9% this year in the UK. Actually, half of it is coming from the rise of energy costs. And if I look at ACOME and our business, if we look at the electricity costs, it had been 14 times more expensive last summer. Even though it was a peak, still so far today, it's multiplied by 7. So it's not only us, it's all the industry. And to fight against the inflation, we want to work on the total cost of ownership. And we have been working for the last 3 years. And I'm quite proud today to launch at Connected Britain our brand new nano-module ultra-lightweight cable. So it's a patented technology for tubes that enables to get denser cables. Let's say you want to deploy a 72 fiber on poles. So far today, you would need 2 cables of 36 fibers. And with our innovation, using standard fibers and being already PIA approved, you can only use 1 cable. By doing so, you would save like 30% of the total cost of ownership. So if you want to know more, I suggest that you scan this QR code to learn more and as well to come on our booth and visit us.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to talk to us, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, thank you very much. Bye-bye.